before we get into the video, you need these things. You're going to need two pictures. This is that and that. So you're gonna want a background picture, and that's it. Let's get into the video. Alright, y'all. So today I'll be showing you how to make VessoDaGreat thumbnails. So first you want to go in Google, type of bubble text. No, pixel bubble text. No, pixel text bubble. Sorry, my brain went. Go right there. Alright. So a long one to type bubble though. Alright, next one, go to make your own speech bubble with whatever that says. Then you want to type whatever you want in that white box. So I'm just going to type the end with 3 dots because I don't know what to type. But the end, I think you'll be alright. Submit. Now, before you have to think how you're gonna make the thumbnail, and then you're gonna pick left or right. You want the spike where I'm pointing to the head. You're gonna pick which one you want. So it's gonna be on the left. Mine, I'm gonna want to point to the right. So that's why I have to set it. So if yours is left, put it left. I'm gonna get a next one for the second picture. You usually have like his girlfriend in the thumbnail. So yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of them. I'm gonna say you did good, bro. Looks good. Save that. Save that. Don't hold. Jump right into Photoshop. Alright, now go 1280720. That's the YouTube duration for thumbnails. So yeah. Now you want to add your background. Sorry. Man, it's kind of too small for the duration, so it shows a black bar. I don't think it's supposed to do that for you, but yeah. There you go. Got it. Now you're gonna add your first picture that you want to use. And then you're gonna want to go around your body like this. So place it first. You select that one. Select your mouse pointer. And then you start off guard. And then you start clicking that round circle at the left, bottom left. Each time you want to place like here. So you can turn, like, do stuff. I don't know how to explain it. I'll see you when I'm done. Alright, so I'm done now. So you just want to select it back, join back to the circle. Now you want to go to extract, turn off your mouse pointer, extract, and you want to switch back to the square because you don't want to mess up. And you want to go to fill and stroke, put it to like 10 or 9, something around 10, 9, 10 or 11. And then you want to go put it to left or right, you like it, and make sure it looks good before you do anything else after that. This is very important to do it. Alright, now so next you're gonna want to put a white glow around it. So white glow, put out to like 50 something or like 40 something, and mixing intensity is at 100. Now, so you want to add your next picture. That's my picture of VessoDaGreat. Yeah. So add your picture. Now you want to do the same thing again. So select back the thing, that one, put on my mouse pointer. You start going around this picture now. So y'all, you don't have to go around the whole picture. You can cut off it. Depends on how you want it. I'll see you when I'm done. Alright, now so I'm done. So you want to join by just circle, extract it, turn the mouse pointer. I'm going too fast for myself. Alright, now you want to go to like the side that you want. Don't mess up this. Like this part is where you don't want to mess up. Alright, you want to set it as exactly how you like it. Because you're sitting down after me, and I messed up too, just realizing that. So now I'm gonna have to go to the show moist pointer. If you already messed up, you can just do this. Yeah, just try to go around all the messed up, and it won't even look like you messed up from the distance that YouTube is gonna set it from. So yeah. Now I wanna click not extract. I mean clear. Click clear. Now as I clicked it, I realized square to the mouse pointer. Now you want to put the white. Put it 10, as I said. I don't know what happened just a while ago, but you want to put the white glow on it. I want a white glow. Put it in back of yeah. Depends on how you like it looks. So now want to size it up, make it look good like usual. Then you want to add drop shadow to both of them. Yeah, wow. Now my finger's bad. Drop shadow. It's drop shadow, yeah. Then you're gonna add drop shadow to both of them. You're gonna put a little life to it. And any of your picture is dark, just make the picture a little brighter, or to fix it and all type of different stuff. Mine is kinda dark, so I'ma edit it. I'll see when I'm done. What to fix? Yeah, I'm done now. So mine's kinda ugly, my ear red, a little better than mine's, but sorry, I ain't using mine for nothing. So you wanna grab the background. Link in the description. I didn't say that you needed the first stuff of the video, but it's alright. So you want to put it back down to your heads. Then you want to turn on the opacity. I can't call it word. Opacity, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Then you want to add your pixel text things. Alright. Make sure you point it to the right head so you don't mess it up. Like, yeah. Because if your title is messed up, you have the messed up thumbnail, and then title, yeah, you got the title right, but you got the message wrong on the, yeah. So now you wanna, you've got an empty layer, framing around the whole thing. Now make it blue. Whatever color you're using for this the spiral thing. Then you want to make sure it's full though. Make sure it's full, not stroke fill. Alright, now you want to turn it to overlay. And there you go. You got a nice thumbnail. But if you want the text. Alright. I'm kind of getting tired of recording right now. But I'm going to finish this for you. I'm doing it. Alright now. So, I'm just going to type VessoDaGreat. Alright, now I'm going to change the font style. You can use any font style that you have, even if you have custom text style or whatever you call it. Okay. I'm going to change this to yellow. That's what you mostly use. I'm going to warp it. Yeah, you can just do it if you like. Make it look good. So I'll see y'all when I'm done warping this thing. That's how my warp looks. Wow, that looks good. I know. So you want to add text, another text. I'm just gonna write thumbnail. You can write whatever you want based on your topic of your video. So I'm gonna write VessoDaGreat topic. You know, merge both of them. I'm put on a stroker on them. I'm gonna use black. You can use whatever color you want. But I'm gonna use black. And guess what? You have a VessoDaGreat top thumbnail. Now save it to your phone. Save the project, then save it to your phone. Yeah. This is how the end of the project looks. It looks alright, but it doesn't really matter how mine looks. It just matter how yours looks. So hopefully yours turn out good. And I'm out.